we got up early again and made it up to Logan Pass and got a parking spot. But it was so socked in with fog. We waited a little while to see if it would clear, and it hasn't. So we just decided to come see what the Hidden Lake overview looks like anyway. Right now it's still foggy, but maybe if we make it to another valley, the clouds won't be quite as thick. We'll see. But so far we've been on this boardwalk thing. It's kind of cool. Disappears into the fog.
The roads here are red.
That glacier pulled all that red rock down I bet.
Oh, yeah.
This all looks like that glacier slag that we saw in New Zealand.
Yeah, it does.
This mound.
It looks like glacier debris for sure. This is pretty fantastic.
Yeah, this is cool. This is Hidden Lake. It's just peeking out from under the clouds. It's at like 6,600 feet elevation down there. 6,500, something like that. Look at all the little islands in it. Look at all those little islands.
Gosh, this is so pretty. We were just postulating about somebody bringing a kayak, hiking one down there to the lake, and a hiker just passed us and heard me talking about it and said that she saw somebody do it like 2 days ago. That's commitment.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool though. I think this is such a unique experience. Like, you and I could be just saying what a bummer it is that our first 3 days were in smoke and now our next couple of days are going to be in the clouds, but Glacier National Park in the clouds, like, this is gorgeous. How could you be mad about this? It's pretty great.
Yeah. Yeah, we can only see about to about there.
Yeah. Huh.
That's pretty awesome. So this is the road we've been traveling on the last few days. Look at this section of it. Pretty crazy. That would be quite the drop.
I feel like if I had testicles, they'd just be shrinking up
Shrinkly.
inside.
Look at this road. It's so cool. Cars coming. Show you scale for... It's really not that narrow, but people just don't drive on it very well. Look how far from the wall they are. Good grief, people. Come on. Horse bridge. Can we go?
Yeah.
Smells like horses.
It's because we were standing directly over horse manure.
Wow, look at this water.
Decided to come out and see what the storm clouds looked like over Lake McDonald.
Pretty cool.
This is the lake that's well known on Instagram for having the colored rocks, but I gotta let you know, pretty much anywhere you go in Glacier, you're gonna see these colored rocks. They are everywhere. They're not specific to Lake McDonald. They're just Instagram famous, but we saw them at the hike up at Grinnell Glacier. They were almost prettier on the trail. They use them for paving. They have so much red rock here that they use it to pave their highways. You see them all over the park, in every stream, in every lake, and it doesn't get old. It's beautiful. That doesn't make it any less special. jump in.
You would have been cold.
It actually, once my feet were in the water, they acclimated and it felt quite warm on the surface. I'm sure it's rather chilly below.
Gonna take a picture?